trashed.
Today we're gonna be making a drink that will surely get you and your friends trashed. So we're gonna be making it in a trash can because it's gonna get you trashed.
Do you get it? This is the new party starter drink, okay? Forget the Long Island, forget the Adios mother the Blue Long Island. You gotta try this trash can party punch.
Don't drink this by yourself. Warning.
We're going to be adding 6 of these BeatBox Fruit Punch to our trash can. BeatBox is basically an adult juice box and they're freaking delicious. They're made from orange wine and they come in so many flavors. Y'all need to try it.
We're gonna show you how to make it right now, today. We're gonna dive right in. It's ice time, baby.
Okay.
You're gonna need a lot of ice.
You're gonna need a lot of ice. So this is 30 pounds of ice going into our trash can, y'all.
Here we go. Okay.
Is it too much?
I think that's a lot. That's good, that's good. We have cranberry, pineapple juice, and orange juice.
And we're just gonna dump these entire containers into our trash can.
Exactly.
Woo! This cocktail has just about every single type of booze in it.
We have rum, gin,
Vodka,
peach
schnapps. We're gonna be putting the entire bottle.
All 4 of them.
Okay.
Oh, it's there.
Okay.
It's getting there. Boom. Oh, wow. It's like pretty filled. Pretty filled.
So BeatBox has started the Spike Your Seltzer trend. People are spiking their hard seltzers with BeatBox, so that's why we had to incorporate some hard seltzers into our trash can.
So we are taking this trend to the next level and we're adding 8 entire cans of hard seltzer to our trash can party punch.
Level up, level up, level up, level up. We saved the best for last, obviously. We're going to be adding 6 of these BeatBox Fruit Punch to our trash can.
Party punch.
You guys, these are so good.
Yeah, these are good. You could just drink them by themselves, but
Honestly.
you know, we crazy.
So
we crazy.
There's actually 11.1% alcohol in these things. So I think they say that they're equivalent to like 3 beers.
Exactly. So,
That's what they say.
so there's 6 of these in here. So basically there's like, I don't know how many beers, I can't do math.
A lot of beers. Yes, baby.
Oh, we lost one. Let's get this party started. Let's drink this.
How many straws do 2 people need?
Ooh, that's that good.
Who's gonna help us drink this?
Come over our house.